Welcome back, folks. We got a holiday weekend coming up. We got some really nice pieces to show you. Let's start with the 2015 Kia Cadenza Limited. It's the one you want, folks. It's loaded up with the panoramic roof, navigation, backup cam, got the heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, second row heated seats, infinity boom and sound system, got the big old alloys on her. She's loaded up, backup cam, every button, bell and whistle is in this one, folks. It's two owners with a perfect Carfax, never been smoked in, no accidents, and it's nice. It's all there, folks. Drove it already, 50 miles, does everything it should and then some. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this lady. Starting down payment, $995. DasCleveland.com. See you soon.